Once upon a time, there was a creator, a dreamer, born to build, to explore, to conquer the impossible. Their mind was their greatest weapon, capable of shaping worlds and rewriting destinies. They were unstoppable until they found the box. It was perfect. It offered joy, fame, adventure, love, a universe contained in a glowing screen. It was portal to everything they ever desired, so they believed. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, months into years. The creators stopped creating. Their mind, once sharp and free, became clouded. Their dreams forgotten. Passion faded. They were no longer the masters of their mind, but the prisoners of the box. Does this sound familiar? That creator wasn't just a fairy tale. It's us, every single of us. We have become the creator of our own downfall. We have let our phones, the box, take control. And now we are losing something more valuable than we realize. We have traded our focus for distractions, our ambitions for validations. We have forgotten how to think deeply, how to create, how to truly live. The box has made us prisoners in our own mind. So, what's happening to us? Why do we feel stuck? It's not just the phone, it's the battle we are losing within ourselves. Let's talk about three major problems which are destroying our generation. Information overloading. Gen Z has access to more information than any generation before. But does that make us smarter or just more distracted? You have the entire world in your pocket. News, trends, gossips, endless streams of content. But here's the problem. You are not learning, you are just scrolling. 1 second you are watching a life-changing speech, the next a cat video, then a meme, then some drama. Your brain is jumping non-stop, and the worst part, your brain gets addicted to this chaos. The more you consume, the harder it becomes to focus, the harder it becomes to think. And when you finally put your phone down, what do you actually remember? Exactly, nothing. The second major problem with our generation is unrealistic expectations. Scroll, like, compare, repeat. Every time you open your feed, you see perfection. Perfect faces, perfect bodies, perfect lives. But here's the truth. It's an illusion, a carefully crafted lie designed to keep you feeling like you are never enough. Yet, we keep chasing this illusion, setting impossible standards for our life. We start believing that if we are not rich, famous, or flawless, we are failed. And that's the biggest lie social media has ever sold you. You don't have to prove yourself to anyone. You don't have to live up to an illusion. Your journey is your own, not a comparison game. And the third major problem is digital dependency. You are surrounded by people, but everyone's looking down at their screen. You laugh at memes, send emojis, react to posts, but inside you feel empty. It's crazy, isn't it? You can text someone across the world in a second, but you struggle to talk to the person sitting next to you. We don't just use technology anymore. We depend on it. Our phones have become our escape, our comfort, our addiction. And what's worse, most of us don't even realize we are trapped. Real experiences replaced by content, real emotions replaced by emojis, real conversations replaced by mindless scrolling. But what if I told you there is a way out? A way to break free from the distractions, the illusions, the endless scrolling. You don't have to be a prisoner of the box. You can take back control. NGL is here to wake you up, to give you the tools to escape the digital trap. No empty motivation, just real practical habits that will rewrite your brain and put you back in charge of your life. It's time to stop letting the screen control you. Let's get into the solutions. Digital detox. Your brain is not the problem, the way you use it is. The things you need to do to rewire your brain are no screen for 30 minutes before bed and after waking up. Watch what you want, not what anything comes up in your feed. Go for longer videos other than shorts. Set a time limit to social media apps. The things you need to do to stop feeding the algorithm are: stop mindless scrolling. Choose what you consume. If you are watching something, make it add something to your life, not just distractions. Before opening any app, ask yourself, what am I looking for? Now, the habits to bring back your real life. If the internet disappeared today, would you still have people in your life? What you have to do is have one phone-free hangout with friends each week. Share meals with friends and family without phones. Practice active listening and talking. Prefer calls over texting. Purpose over popularity. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Set real goals. Focus on learning skills or building something. Use your time wisely. Time is money. The time you spend scrolling, imagine if you use them to learn something that could change your life. The world don't need another viral trend. It needs more people with real purpose. Be one of them. It's time to reclaim our minds. This is not just a video. This is a movement. Join us. Now get legendary.